Well, there's something quick I want to make for my family members. So there is some leftover from last night, fried chicken also here. So trying to chop it out a little bit, and then we're going to add some more kangkung on the top, and also Behoon. So we're going to make like Behoon Kangkung. Okay, just chop it up like this. Remove all the bones out. So get it for 3 portions. Just chop it up. It became 3 portions for us. I'm gonna finish all the chicken, I think. That's some more in the bowl here and here. Okay, I get the leftover from the ayam geprek and the liman. So the stock, this is the stock or the broth. I will add some more of lemon leaves here, reboil again, and then I will add some more, so it will be good flavor after. And now I will show you how to make this Behoon, to soak the beef. Okay, we make the boiled water first and make it ready our Behoon. Okay, after the water is boiled like this, and then we stop the fire. Then we soak the Behoon inside the hot water. It's about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Well, now the Behoon already soft. As you see, now I'm trying to spread up the Behoon here. And then after this, just strain, remove from the water, and we're gonna add in the bowl, the 3 bowl that we prepared before. Alright, our Behoon is ready. The other filling for our soto is cabbage, white cabbage. I'm going to slice cabbage for the portion. Okay, and we're going to blanch it on the water. So just soak in the water and make it the cabbage half cooked, and then the thing is ready. Alright. So this morning just found in the market the fresh kangkung. So we're gonna take only the leaves like this, and then prepare for 3 portions as well. Like this. Remove all the leaves only, because sometimes the the plant itself is not really good. Sometimes bitter taste coming, so we only take the leaves. Yeah. So this really fresh, take the young leaves only. So it will be nice for our Behoon and kangkung. Just make it something quick in the brunch time, because sometimes in the weekend we lazy to wake up early with and just lay down in the bed and then enjoy the morning, because in daily basis we have to go earlier, go to the office and make it the things ready in the morning, and in the weekend a bit lay down there. I think it's enough for our preparation for the portion. Now it's time to wash all these kangkung leaves here. Just make sure all the dirt is not there. You can sometimes there is small killer also come up. Just gentle and carefully. And with them water. Alright, the thing's ready. Now we prepare for the Behoon. Let's remove tuna balls and some Behoon, so at least people can see the topping of the chicken later on. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, and then put it back again. The chicken on the top, something like under the balls. Let's make it quick. Something like this, and then put it back again. The chicken on the top. Because I don't want our family member get too long for our special things. Yeah, just put it back there like this. Now everything ready. I'm gonna boil the stock, re-boil again, and then I'm gonna put some lemon leaves inside, and the same thing like the cabbage and the kangkung. I'm gonna blanch a little bit and then put it back in the bowl, and at the end we're gonna pour the soup or the broth. Well, make it ready our pan. Let's make sure the fire on, and then we pour the chicken broth. So the chicken broth itself from the chicken that we make for ayam geprek, yeah. So the taste is there, and then the bumbu also, the paste, and the other side I make it ready also for the plant of the cabbage. Now I plant the cabbage. So we're gonna wait until boiling. Okay, we cook only half cook. We prepare it and add garlic to the bowls like this. We prepare for the portion. And here. Actually, the step is same, almost like soto ayam, yeah. The step is the same. And now I'm gonna pass the kangkung. I didn't put any salt or something or some spices inside, because in the broth we had already all the things. but this already reached the taste. Now it's getting boiling, so we can lower it a little bit the fire. Kangkung is already now. Yes. Let's put on the fire. So I put it on the top. This. We almost ready now. Make sure that the fire boiling the water. By the time the smell is so good, I add some more lemon leaves. There's about 6 lemon leaves, just to make sure the flavor is there. So we boil it until the taste is mixed up.